In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share clips on Medal. So if you've recorded either clips or even a full gameplay, you can go ahead and share this. There are many different ways that you can do this. So let me show you right now. Once you're on the Medal app, go to the movie icon in the top left-hand corner. Here you'll see all of your clips that you've got created. Now the first way, you can go ahead and click on the three dots, and then you can go ahead and post it to your public profile. Second, you can click on the clip. That will open up the editor where you can then trim the ends of your clip. If you're happy with your clip, you can then give it a name, and then also again, share this to your public profile. If you click on the downwards arrow next to share, you can go ahead and send this to your phone, share it to TikTok, send it to Discord, or if you wanted to get a link, you can click copy link. This will upload it to Medal and copy a link. Then you can go ahead and give this link to someone, and when they click on it, even if they don't have Medal open, they can go ahead and watch the clip on Medal. If they have it downloaded, it will open in their app. If you wanted to share it on Discord, you would just go send to Discord, and then you would have to connect your Discord here, and you could then share it direct in Discord.